Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on what you do if you wreck the finish on your coffee table. So what happened here was my wife was doing her nails and she left some nail polish remover on the table and then messed up the finish. So today what I'm going to do is going to refinish the table. I'm going to start with sanding it down with some 80 grit sandpaper, followed by a 150 grit. Right after that I'm going to clean it all up and I'm going to put on some semi-gloss stain and let's see how it goes. Now that I'm done with sanding the top, with the 80 grit there, I'm just going to take the sandpaper that I used to do the whole top there just to make sure it's tight. Now that it's sanded, you see a lot of patches of dark and light. That means that the clear coat is not down far enough, so I'm just going to hit it one more time with the 150 and see how it goes. Definitely a lot better just with another pass. So I think we're just gonna go a little bit more and then we should be ready to put the clear coat on. after 1 hour of drying, this is the result so far. It's looking pretty good. Now that the first coat is done, I'm just gonna hit it lightly with a 220 just to get rid of a little bit of the wood grain that I feel on it. And then after that, I'm gonna apply the second coat. So there you have it. These are the final results of the table after 2 coats of Varathane on there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys subscribe again so I can keep on posting up new content for you guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Thanks for watching. Bye.